back to my channel. I'm Ego Trippin', and I am back. Here I go with putting all this damn lip gloss on. I am back with another video. I am back with another freaking video. So today I'm gonna be doing the BOXYCHARM base box for the month of March, and we're gonna go through this box and see what goodies we got in here. And yeah, so I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you guys for clicking on this video to see me go through these damn boxes and bags. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all so very much. So let's get into this box. This box is going for let me see. I need to put up some notes so I can know exactly what these boxes and bags go, because I be so confused. I be confused. I don't be remember. But y'all know I make sure to leave the link down below, and I make sure to put the price on the screen or down the description box below. So let's get into this box. All right, so here's the box right here. Okay, this is the base box, and this box is for March 2022, and we finna hop in this box. So here's the card right here. It says May. Okay, May of 2021. First of all, okay. So they sent me a May box that we're gonna go through in just one moment. Yeah. No March box for me. So yeah, let's go through these products and see what we got. We're gonna go down the list. So the first item in the box is the Murad, and that is going for $74. Okay. So here's the Murad. It's going for $74. We all know that I love, well, if you don't know, I do love Murad. I really do. I did receive this before in a box, but whatever. I'm not tripping. I do like this. It's really good. So this is going for $74. That is the first item for the month of May 2021. All right, the next product is the Cab Cosmetics Day and Night Eyeshadow Palette, and that's going for $30. And I did receive this in the previous box, okay? Now, I didn't really care for this palette at all. This is definitely going to be going in the giveaway. I didn't. Actually, as a matter of fact, I still got the one right here, but I'm not going to swatch it because I'm just not, you guys. I didn't care for it myself personally. It wasn't bad, I guess. I probably need to just mess around with it again, but here are the colors right there. Sorry about the glare. But that is the palette, and it does have a mirror, but I already have one. Now, before I can email them, because of course, you know, I didn't know that they were sending me a May box. But I did see a May tracking number, but I haven't received my premium box yet, and I seen my base box tracking number, and then they end up sending, put it like this, BOXYCHARM ended up sending me out 3 tracking numbers, okay? One was for the premium box, which ain't here yet. One was for the base box, and then one was for May of 2021, and I was confused because I'm like, why am I getting a May box? So they initially ended up sending me an email saying, hey, I'll put it somewhere up on the screen. They was like, hey, we're sorry, we gave you $25, what you call it? They gave me $25 to go shop and drop shop, blah, 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 because we noticed that we gave you 2 of the prior products, which was true. And it was the Cab Cosmetic right here, or the Cab, yeah, the Cab Cosmetic palette, and then it was a Murad. So I was already kind of bummed, like, like dang. But I was like, whatever. I went to the drop shop and got like 2 products with the $25. But then when the box come, like there was no March items in there at all. So I was really tripping. So I emailed them and was like, hey, y'all done sent me a box from May. So they proceeded to email me back, and they said, I put it up here on the screen, basically, I don't know, I guess they were running out of products and they sent me this. Y'all read it, but you can't do people like that. Like, I had already picked my products. Now, let me just say this for the record. I get that there's gonna be some mistakes. I really, really do. We are not perfect. We are inhuman. I get it. And when I be clowning on here, yeah, I be clowning. I really be clowning because it's like, but at the end of when I cut this camera off, it's like, I'm not losing no sleep. I'm really not. Like, this is, it is what it is. But I'm mad about you guys sending me a box for May of 2021 with duplicate products that I've received already. Then you guys is like, I don't want y'all extra $25. I can buy my own stuff. And I appreciate it. I don't mean to sound ungrateful, but just send me my stuff. Or put my money back on my bank card. That would have been nice. I would have preferred $25 back in my account. Because you guys allow me to pick a product. I picked my product, and not only didn't I get that, but I didn't get nothing in the box. So I would have preferred my money back for the whole box for the month of March. So anyhow, they emailed me. I emailed them back, blah, blah, blah. And I was salty. I let them know I was salty because I pay a lot of money for these boxes. And there was no reason or rhyme why I should have got a May 2021 box. I don't care what. If y'all ran out of products, then give me my money. Send me an email saying, hey, we ran out of products, and just we refunding your account. I would have felt a whole lot better because I got my money back. Don't just send me no box from last year, especially with 2 products that I did not receive. Again, I know they sent me $25, but no, don't send me $25. Hell, I just spent a gang of money on, what I just do? I just bought all type of damn makeup. You know what I mean? I spent my money. I just did a huge haul. And I got makeup, so I would have preferred y'all just send me my money in my account. So I hope and pray they make it right. I really, really do, because this is going overboard. Like, it's just too many mistakes, too many duplicates. Y'all sending the sister a whole different box from last year. Like, I'm just not with it. I don't know what's going on. I really don't, because all I do is send y'all my money, and y'all send me my makeup products. You know what I mean? So I don't know what's going on, but I know, like, I hope they get it together, because for real, like, I'm not finna keep going through this. I'll probably keep MC, but I'm not finna go through this. Like, this is crazy. This is crazy. Like, you just, ran out of products. Well, we're gonna give you a box from 2021. Here you go. Like, and then, and sorry, 2 of the products you already received, but make it make sense. Y'all can't do people like that. Y'all can't do people like that. So that was my rant. We gonna see what's up. And if they want this box back, they can have it back. But I want my March box. I really do. So, I think they're gonna give me my March. They said they was gonna, rest assured, you're gonna I don't know. I gotta finish looking at the email, but I hope that I get my March box with my, I'm gonna put a screenshot up. I'll show y'all. Here's the screenshot right here. I chose the Rare Beauty primer. What is today, the 18th? And actually, I got it yesterday, so I prepaid. Well, not prepaid, but I paid for my box February. Yeah, paid for my box February, and here it is, the middle of the month of March, and y'all done sent me the wrong box. So we're gonna definitely take care of it, and I definitely come back to show y'all my March box. So that was my little rant. Let's move on to the next product. The next product in the box is Lavish Essential Eye Collection. What is this? Okay, so they did send me these brushes right here. These are really, really cute. I don't think I haven't. No, I haven't. I've never received these. So these are super cute. I don't even want to take them out the thing, just in case I might have to send them back. But there it is right there. They're so cute. They really, really like. And these are going for me see. These are going for $30. So here they are right here. Those are the brushes. All right, the next product in the bag is the box is the Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer. And I already did swiped. I did I touch this? I think I did. Yeah, I did. I can't send this back. I'm tripping. They better just send me my box. I did swipe this already. So I looked at that. So this is the Ciate London Bronzer right here, and it was really, really pretty. Yep, there it is. It's definitely my shade. I'm digging it. So that's really pretty. And it says Bamboo Bronzer, and it's in the color Aruba Island. So that's pretty. I love that. So that is that. And that product is going for $28. And I love Ciate London. I sure do. Yes, indeed. And the final product, you guys, is the Sophia. Is this the... Oh, no. Yeah, the final product is a Sophia Mabel Hydrating Hybrid. Is this the lip gloss? I did like this. This the lip gloss? Is this it? No, this ain't the lip gloss I was talking about. Okay, this is so pretty. This is a lipstick. But it's really, really pretty. That's a really pretty color. I bet my mama like that. What color is this? That's really pretty. I like Sophia and Mabel stuff. I really do. Look how pretty that is. It's so cute. Excuse me. That's so cute. Okay, and they did send me this breakfast in bed, and I do have this palette, so this is definitely have to go on the giveaway. So again, y'all, I'm not, and they I forgot to tell you, they did send me an extra product, but that's not even my point. Like, I hope y'all understand what I'm talking about. If you don't, you just don't. It's not for you. Okay, it's not for you. It is what it is, and it's okay if you don't think so. You're like, hey, they gave you $25. They gave you a free, product, blah blah blah. But no, I buy my own makeup. I have makeup. What I would have been happy if they would have just sent me my box or reached out to me through email like they do and say, hey, ma'am, we're gonna refund you your money back. We ran out of products. And just refunded my money back into my bank account. That would have been nice. So I'm done. I'm not even gonna I'm not gonna go over it. I'm done. But yeah, this is the box for May 2021. Okay. So in our BOXYCHARM March base box, we received the free breakfast in bed palette. I didn't show y'all. Let me show y'all this too. Where is mine at? Somewhere stuffed in here. Somewhere stuffed in here. It's not grabbable. Okay, it's not grabbable. So let me show y'all. I won't touch it. So it's a really pretty palette too. As a matter of fact, I did this on my channel. So it's a really pretty palette. It really, really is. And it's good quality too. It's good quality. I forgot to say, yeah, this is by Beauty Bakery. Beauty Bakery got good stuff. I love Beauty Bakery. So this is the Beauty Bakery free palette we received in our box. We received the Murad right here. We received the hybrid, what is this called? Hydrating Hybrid Lipstick Balm by Sophia and Mabel right here. So it's a lipstick balm. My bad, y'all. And we received the brushes right here. And then lastly, we have the Cab Cosmetics. So that was in my box, y'all. That was my May 2022-21 box for the month of March 2022. Okay. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Y'all let me know what you think down below. Let me know how you feel. Let me know what you would have done. Let me know how that would have made you feel if you would have received a box from last year in May for the month of March. Let me know how that, let me know how that would make you feel. Because yes, I'm salty. I'm just not showing it now, but I'm salty. No, I'm not showing it now because I already emailed them. So yeah, hopefully they send me my box. So that is it for this video, y'all. Let me know what you think down below, and let me know how that, I mean, y'all would have been salty too, because y'all love makeup just like I do. If y'all would have got a box from June of 2021 or September 2021 instead of y'all box that you currently got, you would have been feeling a type of way too, regardless of the $25 they sent me to go shop at Drop Shop and a little extra palette they put in there. No. So that is it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know please let me know what you got in your box for March 2021, because I want to know. I'm excited. I'm excited to see what I didn't get. So that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much. And yeah, I'm done. That is it. We're done. I will see you guys in the next video. Please give me a big thumbs up. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And that is it. I will see you guys in the next video. I am Ego Tripping. And I'm out. Bye, y'all.